Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video is actually going to be a Bath & Body Works haul. This is the new spring 2019 collection. I told you guys if I got items from it, I would bring it to you. And I'm also going to talk about some of the items that came out this spring, what I'm feeling, what I'm like, boo. But first, before I get started, if you're going to place any orders online, definitely make sure Bath & Body Works through what? Ebates, get cash money, get cash back on your purchases. Always have to tell you that because somebody told me the other day that they did this big online order and they forgot to use Ebates. So they lost all that free money. So if you're going to spend the money, you might as well get money back. And before I start the video, I do want to say shout outs to my sis Joanna here on the YT. I'll leave her channel link below. Y'all, she sent me a package. She sent me a package of some Bath & Body Works items. It's packaged so cute. Look at it. Look at it. It's so cute. She packaged everything really cute. Sent me a little card with it and some nail stickers. Thank you, girl. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you for sending these items over. Of course, I'm about to show you guys. But she heard me talk about the summer picnic, strawberry picnic from this, the Sweet Escape. And she got me one, and it's so funny because another subscriber said they found it and they bought me one just in case I didn't get one so they could send me one, but I found one. But I thank you guys. Y'all think of me, and that is crazy because I wasn't asking nobody to get me nothing, because y'all know me, I'm on the hunt, and if it's available, I'm gonna find it. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for thinking of me. I know you don't have to spend your hard-earned money and send things out to send it to some YouTuber that has an obsession, but I thank you guys so much for thinking of me. So this is the spray. Let me unwrap it. It's like getting a Christmas present. It's so nice. And it says Sweet Escape Strawberry Picnic. I know you guys know what it looks like, but I want to show it again. This is what it looks like. And I'm so happy to have a backup in the collection. I love the argan line, the argan and the amber and argan. She found this. I couldn't find this. I didn't see this anywhere. It's the pure argan oil, amber and argan hand cream. And it looks just like this. Get my camera zoom in. But it's really pretty. And it looks just like that. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Joanna. I really, I don't know why I say it like that. Joanna is Joanna. But, Joanna. That's how I say it, okay? Okay. So thank you. But let's go ahead and get into the new springy stuff. I first want to say the new spring collection dud. Like, I think the scents could have came with a punch. The 1,000, what is it called? The 1 in a million dud. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. The 3 new scents they came out with. The pure, I don't even know what it's called. One's coconut, one smells like water, like really, like just really fresh, like you got out of the shower. And then I did buy one of them. I'm gonna show you the one I got because it was just the only one I thought would be worth purchasing. The pink one I really wanted to love, and I wanted to love it because it's a coconut and it's pink. It was a pretty pink packaging. But I just didn't like it. But I did get papaya. I got the oh God. I got the Papaya Paradise Cove. I end up getting that one, the Fine Fragrance Mist. Looks just like that. It's really, really pretty. The keynotes in this is fresh papaya, starfruit water, honeysuckle, passion flower, and amber. This is the only one that really gave off a decent scent in my opinion. Like the coconut one was just, I don't know. I wasn't feeling it. But this papaya, I love this. This gives me such a Miami Heat vibe. Like Miami Heat, Malibu Heat vibe. And I know Michael said that too in his video, and he's so right. He's the one that convinced me to get this because I was like, ugh, the whole line's a dud. But I got this. And it does. It gives me Malibu Heat vibe. Like, seriously. If you want Malibu Heat and it's no longer available, Papaya Paradise Cove will put you in that mood. So I got the spray. And I also got the body wash. Again, it's called Papaya Paradise Cove. It's a micellar body wash. So, ooh, it's fancy. And it looks just like this. I know this is going to be at the next in my annual sale because I just don't see this line like with everything that's in it, like really selling out. Even the soaps that's in it, the hand soaps, I don't know, I don't see none of that stuff selling out. I could be wrong, but I just don't see it selling out at all. And then they have like these new candles that are supposed to be for Valentine's Day. I ain't buying stuff for Valentine's Day. Like, I don't know. That to me was another dud. But one thing I found that was really cute with this stuff, with the new line, they had this little unicorn, little shower puff. I don't think I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna hold on to a little shower puff. But I thought it was really cute. It's in the shape of a unicorn. Of course, got the unicorn thing up here, and it was only $6.50. And of course, they were doing the 20% off, so you got to get your 20% off, which is always helpful. So I took advantage of that. But I'm not done. I got more spring stuff. New wallflower plugins are in, and I got a few new plugins because I needed one for my kitchen, and I wanted to change out the one in my bathroom because I've been using the same one for like 2 years. So I wanted to get something different. So I got this for my bathroom because this kind of matches my shower curtain, and it looks like that with all the cute butterflies, and it lights up. I thought that was really cute. Another cute one they had was the unicorn one. I didn't get the unicorn one, but it was pretty. And this is the one I got for my kitchen. It is huge, y'all. This costs normally $18.50 for a plug-in. That's nuts. But it has a night light, and this one just has an ocean vibe. And I got that one for the kitchen because that would go really pretty in the kitchen. But it is heavy and it is huge. It is huge. And I think $18.50 is a lot for a plug-in. Like, but for 20% off, I got it. Everything else in here is actually the new like plugins, and the cool thing is they're doing the coupons. I did steal my mom's coupons, the spring coupons, where you get, it started Monday, but you can use the coupons. Well, by the time you guys see this video, because y'all know I recorded in advance, so by the time you see this video, the coupons are active. But you can get a free wallflower, which I used. You can get 20% off with the new coupons. Plus, one of the coupons is body cream for $5 is on the coupons too. This is just what the mailer looks like if you do get the mailer. I did get the mailer. My name's on it. I thought I stole my mom's mailer, but no, it was my mailer. My name's on it. So I got this mailer. I don't know why I went to my mom's place. Like, our places are right across from each other. Like, I live on this side and my mom lives over there. I don't know why my mailer went to her house, but they got her address as my address instead of my place, but whatever. But yeah, this is what it looks like plugged in. And like I told you guys, I already used the first coupon, and then there's the other two right there. So that's what it looks like if you guys do get it. I think I am going to use the $5 body cream though. I am. I'm going to find a scent that I really like, and I'm going to get that one. But I got to find a scent that I really like in order to get that one. But let's just wrap it up and show all the wallflowers. I'm getting sidetracked. Y'all know I always get sidetracked. Oh my goodness. This is Hot Fudge Sundae. Hot Fudge Sundae, that whole Sweet Shot 2.0, a lot of them are now in wallflower form. Y'all look how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4. I swear it's another one. It's down in here. 5. The top fell off. The little thing that shows what it is. So it looks like, just so you guys know, if you're looking for them, that's what the wallflower looks like. I got 5 Hot Fudge Sundaes. Like, this is not a game, okay? Hot Fudge Sundae is not a game, okay? I love that scent. So I got 5 of those. I got 3 of the Angel Food Cupcake. So I got 3 of these. I think the wallflower, hopefully will do better than the candle, because I know the candle ain't do so great. So we're hoping that the wallflower does better. But I'm going to use it in like bedrooms. So hopefully, yeah, it'll work. But in the bedroom, you don't want nothing way too strong. So that should work. And then my second favorite, and I went a little ham on this one. Key lime pie. So, key lime pie. So my free item for my free wallflower was this key lime pie Wallflower, because key lime pie, the candle smells so much just like Fruit Loops to me. So having my living room smell like that, having my walkway smell like that, that's gonna be so good. So that was my free one. That's one. And then I have 3 more of the key lime pie. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's everything I got from the spring 2019 Bath and Body Works, I guess, thing that's going on. Am I done? No, because as I showed you guys, I do have these coupons that I'm trying to use. I have the 20% off, and then I have the $5 body cream, and these can be combined. So it says, oh, thank you, get rewarded for being a great customer. I'm glad you see I'm great. I'm just playing. I'm just playing, but thank you, Bath and Body. And y'all must have seen me complain a lot. Thank you. Yeah, I'm going back. It's good to the 17th, plus what am I trying to say? It's good to the 17th of February, but you know the coupons go 3 days past expiration. So 18, 19, 20. I have to the 20th of February to use these. They're probably going to be used before the 17th of February, but I do want to use them and take advantage of what other spring stuff I can get. But again, check out Joanna. Her channel is below. And this is everything I got from the spring stuff. The new spring line for body care was a dud to me. A lot of the new candles I'm like, I didn't really like. I did like the Sweet Shop 2.0. That was really nice. That's why I got it before it really came out. And when it was sporadically out there, I got it. The Wallflowers Huggins, Little Sponge. Okay, so all that was a plus. It's just the new body care didn't do it for me. But again, if you're looking for Malibu Heat and you couldn't get your hands on it, Papaya Paradise Cove, definitely the closest you're gonna get. Oh my god, it smells, oh, it smells so good. So I recommend this one. This was the only one that wasn't a dud, in my opinion, was the Papaya Paradise Cove. The other one was too coconutty for me. It was way too much. And the other one, you really didn't smell anything. It was fresh, it was clean, and you just couldn't get anything from it. Like, if I don't smell like I just came out the shower, I just won't spray nothing. Why do I want to smell like I just came out the shower in the spray? Where'd they do that at? But okay. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.